Happy Friday. Last part of the week, third grade, and it's still on polygons, quadrilaterals, geometry. Okay, so use your guide. Sorting and identifying quadrilaterals. The first part, it says a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. Circle the two sides that are parallel to each other on each of the trapezoids, and then mark the sides that are not parallel to each other with an X. So they did the first one for you. So they circled. This is parallel. It's exactly the same distance apart. These two are not parallel because they're going like this. They're going like this. No. Parallel is like that. So they circled the parallel sides, and they put an and they put an X. All of these are going to have one set of parallel, and you circle it, and you X the other ones. Okay? The next part says a parallelogram is any quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. On each of the parallelograms below, circle one pair of parallel sides in blue, circle the other pair of parallel sides in red. So opposite sides, third grade. So pretend this is red, and then this would be blue. So you do like red, and then blue. You're going to do that for all of those, okay? Lastly, for this part, find all the trapezoids below. Color them orange. Find all the parallelograms below. Color them purple. When you finish, you should have two quadrilaterals that are not colored. Okay? There's only going to be two that are not colored. That's that. Last page, flip it over. Okay? This is all a review of what we've been doing. This shape is and you're going to say whether it's a trapezoid, parallelogram, square, rectangle. How do you know the shape is not a parallelogram? Third grade, you have done this since last week. You have been talking about how this is not a parallelogram. Okay? It only has, okay? 5. This shape is You're going to circle what this shape is, and then they want a reason. How do you know this shape is not a rectangle? Use labeled sketches, numbers, or words. How do you know this is not a rectangle? Oh, because a rectangle has four something. This shape is and now you're going to say what this shape is. And then you're going to say, how do you know this shape is not a trapezoid? Use labeled sketches, numbers, or words. Okay? That is your Friday. Maybe not. Maybe you have one more. I'm sorry. Let's see. Oh, you do. Sorry. You have more. I didn't realize that. Quadrilateral matchup. Okay? Draw a line connecting to each quadrilateral. What we just did. What you just did on Wednesday. Okay? Trapezoid, a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. You're going to draw a line. Same thing. You're going to do mixed operation. And then you have some questions. Oranges cost 25 cents for half a kilogram. How much would 8 kilograms of oranges cost? Okay? If half a kilogram cost 25 cents, what would a whole cost? What would you do with that 25? Okay? And then here's a challenge, okay? Guys, if you get stuck on a challenge, I don't want frustration, I don't want tears, I don't want any of that. You attempt the challenge, and then you move on, okay? Challenge your brain, and then you move on. If you want to keep pursuing it, pursue it. If it's frustration, level of stress, done. Okay? But in class, like I always tell, I want you to attempt the challenge, but then move on if it's too much, and then we will go over it. We'll go over it together. Julia wants to bring watermelon for the third grade picnic. Seedless watermelon costs 39 cents for half a kilogram. One serving of watermelon weighs about 150 grams. There will be 60 people at the picnic. How many kilograms of watermelon will Julia need to buy? There are 1,000 grams. Oh, you have to do converting. Yes, you do. How much will that watermelon cost? Attempt it and we'll do it together, okay? But listen, no frustration. If it's frustration, you attempt it, look at it, try it, move on, okay? Happy Friday. Bye.